In this video, I'll show you how to create an excess stock favorite. You will need to have a database with open sales orders, open purchase orders, and inventory on hand in order for this to work. You'll start by clicking on the product or item dimension, then choose Custom from the Mode dropdown. Select Clear, then click on the green plus button and select Measure. And we'll want to do 3 of these, so click Clone a few times. The first measure will be your items with open sales. Next, click on this box here. And for the stream, select Open Sales Orders. For the measure, I'm going to choose quantity, but you can also choose value instead. Then choose the period tab. And for this example, I'll use a rolling 6 months and hit Apply. And the next line down will be for item purchase orders. Select Open POs this time, and then choose quantity because you want them all to match. Select period, and again, we'll do the rolling 6 months so it matches the other one. Click Apply. And then for the final one, we'll do your on-hand inventory. Select the stream for stock snapshot or on-hand inventory, and then again, quantity. And this time, since it's on hand, we're going to have to select the current month and then hit Apply, and then hit Apply again. Now we're going to be looking at open sales orders, open purchase orders, and on-hand inventory all side by side. Now we'll add a few filters to show us our excess inventory. So in this first column, somewhere in the white, not in the gray, you're going to right-click and select Item Sales Orders equals 0. Next, you'll right-click in the Item Purchase Order column and select greater than 0. And finally, you'll right-click in the on-hand inventory column and select greater than 0. And now you have a report that will show any items that aren't being sold, but you do have on order or in stock. And you can also add a calculation as a column to make it a little easier to read. So you'll just go back to Custom Mode, add calculation this time instead of a measure, and we'll just call this total stock. And then in the expression, it's just going to be A plus B. From there, you'll click on the little plus button, measure, and that will add your A, and then another time to add your B. And next, you'll click on the box next to A, select from the stream drop-down the open POs, and then change your measure to quantity. Click on the time period tab and select rolling 6 months. And click Apply. And then for your B variable, you'll do the same thing, but with your on-hand inventory. So stream and then quantity for your measure and current month since it's on hand. Hit Apply and Apply. And it just makes it a little easier to read for the total amount that you have either on order or in stock. And then you can do a right click again and say greater than 0. And this will give you a good starting point to then go to advanced search, which is the magnifying glass. And you can then customize this value. For example, if you want to see items with a total stock of greater than 10 only, put 10 and then hit Apply. And now that report will only show you items that aren't being sold but have a total stock of greater than 10 quantity.